Hello, welcome to Glide Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money online with the latest live streaming app, BoloUp. This is actually for beginners. This live streaming app is different from Lollipop and Live, where you have to use your face for face authentication, or where you have to use your face for live streaming before you in. So the first step we'll have to take care is to create an account on BoloUp. Just click on your Google option, type in your nickname. I'm typing in Glide Tech, select your gender and click OK. So this is the home page of my BoloUp apps. The next thing I have to do is to click on the me icon found at the bottom of my screen. Clicking on the me icon, I just have to click on the tax option. So right here on my tax option, I have to complete this task in order to earn. The first one is to upload an avatar. I just have to click on the go option. So right here, I just have to click on the plus icon and click on upload photo in order to upload photo from my gallery. So I just have to click on the good option at the top right corner. So right here you can see it says in review. I just have to click on it and allow it to review, and it has been reviewed. I just have to claim my reward, 25 coin. Edit nickname. Before, at the beginning of this video, I edited my nickname, so I just have to click on the claim reward. 25 coin has been given to me. Then beam phone number, I just have to click on the go option close to it and select phone number unbanned. Now I just have to select my country. Now a code will be sent to this phone number that I just typed in. To click on the verification code in order not to allow it to get to 30 seconds before banding it. I have to go out from this and claim my reward. So the next is to bind Google account. I have bound my Google account by clicking on Google option when creating the account. So the Gmail that I use means that I bound my account. I just have to click on claim. There are other ways of earning from this by following them on Facebook page, notification by turning on your notification, by follow Twitter page, join Telegram channel, also send 77 lucky gifts and earn 100 coin. We have the monthly tasks here. You just have to complete them to earn. Actually, each of them have 500 coin to earn each. So these are the tasks you have to complete in order to earn. Apart from completing this task, you can still go to your profile icon page, click on the pencil icon found at the top right corner of your screen. You're going to see an option at the top right corner. Just click on the pencil icon there. You're going to see an option for you to add photo to the photo wall. Just click on it. Now go to upload photo. So right here on upload photo, you have to select the particular photos that you want to actually upload to your photo wall. So having done that, you just have to go out from your photo wall. The photos are going to be approved here. There are other ways you can edit your profile by adding your birthday, country, your language, and also you can write about a description about you. The next thing is for you to go to your home page. Another way of earning is by live streaming. So in order to live stream, you are going to see an option called by room on the home page of your screen. You just have to click on it, type in the name you want your live stream to be as you go live. So I just have to type in happy. Now you have to choose the type of live stream that you want. You want a chat where you just talk and play with friends, or you want a live stream. So any of them you choose, you just have to click on it and type in the description of how you want your live stream to look like. So this is kind of introduction. You just have to introduce it and click on create. That way if you go live on BoloUp, your face will not show, but the introduction and the name you pair will be showing. The type of live stream you choose will be described, and you'll be able to aim on BoloUp without showing your face. And remember, no authentication is needed for BoloUp. So guys, I hope this video was able to guide you on how to aim on BoloUp as a beginner. If you have any question related to this video, please do well to ask all your questions on the comment section. Thanks for watching.